Hey folks, it's John. Look, it's that time again. We got to clean up this garden, get ready to do some planting. So it's kind of a gloomy day. I don't feel like digging too much, so I'm not going to. I'm going to take our propane torch and I'm just going to give this a burn and knock out all this stuff on top. And that's a good start. So stick around. Let's watch it burn. Okay. Let's make sure our torch will work first. Oh yeah, I hear it. So this here was asparagus, so I can't burn too heavy because I don't want to damage those roots. Now if you get this hot enough, all those seeds from these weeds on the surface are going to get cooked, and we won't get any sprouts from those anymore. And that's the idea. We'll probably add some topsoil in here before we plant, make it a little higher. But for now, we just want to get these weeds out of here, and any surface seeds, we want to sterilize them. Now this is a wooden planter, so it's not pressure treated wood. So when I built it, what I did to help preserve it was I burned the wood. So if you're in here burning this stuff and you burn a little more wood, good on you. You're just giving it a little more treatment. That takes that down. There's a couple of ant mounds in here too, and I think this is going to take care of a little bit of that. Not going to burn. That's the big asparagus right there. I don't know why it's coming up so early, but we're not going to play with that. on turbo. That's an ant bed right there. We're going to get rid of that. I try not to turn the soil over a lot, just add soil to do my next year's plantings, and that way I don't turn up more seeds. Because this soil I actually got from the forest behind me. So there's a lot of junk in it, but it sure does grow nice plants. Get out of the smoke. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Like I said, we'll just add some soil to the top, and then we'll start our plantings. We might bust it up a little bit. A lot of these shavings are from the baby chickens, from their little brooder. We'll have to mix that in just a bit. I appreciate you guys joining me on Hoof and Homestead. Just a quick gardening tip for you guys. You don't have to get in here with a hoe and dig everything up. Just bring your torch and burn it to the ground. God bless all of you. If you like the content, why don't you consider subscribing? Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that. Turn it off.